It's very much possible that the Rust Valley restorers are already well known to anyone who has an interest in historic cars or their restoration. In this video, we will discuss the cast of the show, including the disagreements that have arisen between members of the cast, as well as the devastating tragedy that has befallen the program's star, Mike Hall. Keep watching if you want to find out more. Mike Hall is from a town called Tappan, which is famous for having more than 500 rusty automobiles, and served as the motivation for coming up with the name of the show. The Land of Dreams is a common nickname for Mike's business, which is situated on approximately 5 acres of property. However, neither the company nor his passion for automobiles were sufficient to secure a comfortable living situation for his family. Mike made the decision to switch gears when he turned 60 and began selling the rusty old cars. However, he set the prices so high that they led to very few sales, if any sales at all. Mike proceeded to raise the costs, despite the fact that it was anticipated that he would drop them owing to the lack of interest in the product. This unconventional tactic drew the interest of the History Channel, which was interested in learning more about his exorbitantly priced garage. Mike's plan all along was to restore the majority of the vehicles on his property and leave them as a legacy for his family. He never intended to sell all of his land. Unanticipatedly, his doggedness and effort paid off in the form of a reality TV show opportunity when he was in his 60s. Mike's early years were spent pursuing his interest in automobiles, but it was his deep love for his family that propelled him to succeed. Even when the show gained popularity, Mike never lost his modesty, and he continued to concentrate on restoring and selling just enough cars to provide for his family. Despite this, he continues to add old automobiles to his collection. The cast of Rust Valley Restorers is comprised of multiple individuals, all of whom collaborate to complete their missions. Sarah Ward, Avery Shove, Connor Hall, Mike Hall, the owner of the restoration company, his son Connor Hall, who is the business strategist, Connor Hall's apprentice Cassidy McCann, and Mike Hall himself star on the show. Sarah Ward is the lead mechanic. Because of Avery's expertise in mechanics and Mike's enthusiasm for automobiles, the team values Avery highly and considers him an essential member. Even though Mike and Avery don't always see eye to eye on everything, they continue to be each other's support system. Connor, Mike's son, has followed in his father's footsteps and now contributes to the team with his savvy in the business world, which has resulted in a considerable increase in revenue. He will soon be married to Jada, who has the same passion for automobiles as he does. Another member of the squad, Cassidy McCann, was raised in a household full of people who are passionate about automobiles. In spite of the fact that she has a deep love for automobiles, she was required to complete a number of driving tests before she could pass her exam. Cassidy has been a member of the Rust Bros team since she was 17 years old. In addition to managing 2 jobs and a college course, she has demonstrated that she is a hardworking and loyal team member. The show's other female star, Sarah Ward, is an expert in management and restoration and has a sharp eye for spotting components that need to be refurbished. She is a strong presence on the show. The content of this video will now come to a close. What are your general impressions of everyone on the team, and which individual do you consider to be the most valuable? Share your thoughts with us in the section below. If you found this video entertaining, please consider giving it a like, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing to our channel. Also, make sure you click the bell symbol so that you are notified immediately once we post an update.